In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds. First of all, you need to find OPPO's Recorder app. It will be in Tools folder. Click on it when you find it and tap on Allow or Allow while using in all available pop-ups. Then to finally start, use this button at the bottom and wait. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the bottom left corner. To add a photo mark, add the bottom right one. Take a pic. And then discard it thanks to this X or save it thanks to this check mark. Now, to get rid of your recording right away, you can always select Cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice. To end it and save it though, hit Save at the top right one. Then name it and hit Save here. Finally, to play your recording, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. You can manage those. Tap on Done to save all of your changes. And also click on those three dots at the top right corner to access even more. But you can also go back and hold any recording on the list to manage those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!